Okay, so step 5. I'm going to go to scale the data if necessary. And this again is the 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 term is a little bit confusing, but we need to apply a scalar if the EE data catalog tells you the data are scaled. And so if we went back to the Earth Engine data catalog, what you want to do is you want to look under the band description. So you need to go to the band tab, and then you look at the band name that we're working with. So that we're working with the band formerly known as LST Day 1 kilometer that we've renamed, but this is the mama, so this is where it came from. And then we can go through and see that the scale factor is 0.02. You can also, if you go uh, collect your string here for the address that you used and go up here to the search bar and type that in, and it's the 1 day, not the 8 day that we're working with. But if you grab this and you go to bands, you should see it also here. There's the scalar 0.02. So what we need to do is this local operation where we're going to apply, we want to basically multiply that scalar um, against every pixel value in the raster. Is that fair? So to do this, we're going to it should be a function of, or a method of the image. And we're going to go down and we're going to look for multiply. And we go, and then here it is, multiply. And so here you can multiply two images, and we'll get into some of the map algebra soon. But this argument can also be a constant. I'm not sure if it tells you that. The image, yeah, it doesn't actually tell you that, but I'm going to tell you that you image 2 can be, the argument for this can also be a constant if it's a number. So I'm just going to say step 4 multiply and then say 0.02, right? Just to check my short-term memory here, 0.02, 0.02. And so that should apply the scalar. And then I'm going to just kind of do some checks here before I hit run. So this is going to be my print 5 checks. So print step 5 checks, comma, and this is going to be step 5. Sure, I'll just print the whole thing out. And then I'm going to also say, please check this using the tutorial 2 method. And then I'm going to feed it step 5. And then kind of close that off. And you'll notice that I have this kind of tendency of putting the second parentheses on a separate line and then the colon on the last one. And the idea is that this will allow me to kind of quickly comment out things if I want. That's actually just, anyway, that's the reason I do that. And if I hit run, and what do we have here? I've got my image, and so now my scaled value is 272.23. So that should be the land surface temperature in Kelvin, right? And so then the next step is going to be to convert the temperature from Kelvin to Celsius. So that's all I was going to say there.